Chapter 13. Our Houses. The place where we all live together under one roof is known as our house. It protects us from rain, heat, cold and other harsh weather conditions. It also protects us from wild animals, robbers, etc. It is the place where we eat, sleep, take rest and perform various activities. Different kinds of houses. People live in different kinds of houses. The two most common kind of houses are kacha houses and pakka houses. Kacha houses. Kacha houses are temporary shelters made of building materials like mud, straw, bamboo sticks and reeds. The roofs of such houses are usually made of palm leaves, thatched straw, sheets of tin or asbestos, etc. These houses are not very strong. They can collapse or get damaged easily when a strong wind blows or some natural disaster occurs. Kacha houses are seen in villages. One common example of a kacha houses is a hut. Pakka houses. These are permanent shelters made of building materials like bricks, concrete, cement, mortar, steel, etc. These include bungalows, villas, mansions and multi-story buildings, and are found in urban areas. They do not get easily destroyed by strong winds and heavy rains. Some special houses. In some regions, you can see certain special types of houses. The structure and design of these houses depend largely on the climatic conditions of the place and the availability of the material used to build it. Tent. A tent is a portable house. It is made of canvas and can be easily fixed and removed. This type of house is usually seen in camps on mountains, in forests and in desert areas. The tent is commonly used by travelers, tourists, soldiers and researchers who visit these places. Stilt house. These types of houses are built on raised poles of wood. They are seen in places with heavy rainfall. These houses are built by people to protect themselves from rain, floods, reptiles like snakes, insects, etc. Such houses have sloping roofs so that water can slide off. They are found in Assam, Meghalaya and other northeastern states of India. Houseboats. It is a unique type of house built on a boat. Therefore, it is also called a floating house. Such houses are usually seen in Kashmir and Kerala. In Kashmir, Dal Lake is a tourist hotspot famous for its houseboats. The backwaters of Kerala are another well-known tourist attraction due to houseboats. For people who own these houseboats, these are a great source of income. Caravan. It is a house that moves on wheels. Usually, it is towed by a vehicle or animals. It moves from place to place. Igloo. An igloo is an ice house in the shape of a dome. In the extremely cold climate of Antarctica and Greenland, people make igloos because there is no other building material available there except blocks of ice. People who live in igloos are known as Eskimos or Inuits. Keeping the house clean. It is very important to keep your house tidy and clean. A clean house provides a good atmosphere for everyone living in it to remain healthy, fit and active. Read the following tips to keep the house clean. A house should always have doors and windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. They keep us healthy by making the house bright and airy. They also keep insects and flies away. The floor and all the corners of the house need regular sweeping and mopping. Disinfectants can be used while mopping the floor. All the garbage in the house should be properly cleared and disposed of in enclosed bins, and kept outside for the garbage collected to collect it. Wastes like peels of vegetables and leftover food decays. These are called biodegradable wastes. They may be put in a compost pit so that they can turn into manure after some time. This can be added to the soil to make it fertile. Wastes such as plastic bags, tin cans, and glass bottles do not decay. These are called non-biodegradable wastes. They may be sent for recycling. It is important to clean the bathroom regularly and to keep it dry. This keeps germs and insects away. Besides our own house, we should be sensitive towards our neighborhood and the surroundings in which we live. It is therefore important that we do not litter our neighborhood. Decorating the house. A beautiful and clean house attracts everybody. To make the house look beautiful, we paint it in attractive colors. Flower pots, showpieces and wall paintings are used to decorate the house. Colorful designs are made on the floor using chalk powder, paste of rice, colors and flour. This is called rangoli. A specially designed rangoli, called floral rangoli, is created by using petals of different flowers. Sometimes, rangolis are also created in water using diyas, candles, that float. Floor painting is a popular art in many states of India. It is called Alpana in West Bengal and Chokpurna in North India. In South India, floor paintings are often made at the doorstep or outside the house. People also use mirrors, mud and clay to decorate the walls of their houses. Word bank. Disinfectant, a cleaning substance that kills infectious and disease-causing organisms like pests, insects, etc. Decay, slow process of destruction due to rotting. Biodegradable, something that gets decomposed by natural process. Non-biodegradable, a substance such as plastic that does not decompose by natural process. Backwaters, part of a river set apart and without current. In a nutshell, Kacha houses are temporary shelters made of mud, straw, bamboo sticks and reeds. Pakka houses are permanent shelters made of bricks, concrete, cement, mortar, steel, etc. Tents, houseboats, stilt houses, caravans, and igloos are some special types of houses which are built by people living in different parts of the world. A clean house provides a good atmosphere for everyone living in it to remain healthy, fit and active. People make colorful designs called rangoli, hang paintings and do many other things to make their house look beautiful.